In this video, we're going to simplify nth roots. And nth roots just means roots that are not square roots anymore. We have like maybe cubes or fourth roots or fifth roots, so on and so forth. So because we have a cube root of 1,000, I think we're going to start this the same way that we do with square roots and write down what all the numbers for cube roots would be. So let's see. We could start with, for a cube root, basically if we started with 2 times 2 times 2, one cube root would be 8. 3 times 3 times 3, we would have 27. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. 8 times 8 times 8, so 8 cubed, is 512. And then 9 cubed is 729. So we got 9 times 9 times 9, 729. And then we've got 10 cubed, which is 1,000. So I think these are, I won't call them important to remember, but be able to come up with the different cube roots, or the different cubed numbers, so that when you go to simplify these, you can divide by those numbers. Like I'm going to start by saying, okay, what's the highest cube root that I can divide by? Well, that's 1,000. So that means that the cube root of 1,000, well, I know that's just 10. So this one just happens to be that it works out, it is exactly 10 for an answer. But let's say it was like 1,022 inside here, so 1,022. Then I would need to break that down a little differently based on dividing by that 1,000. Let's try another problem. So now we have the fifth root of 243. So I'm going to start by evaluating some fifth roots. So I got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 to the fifth power is 32. And then I'll do 3 to the fifth power. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that's actually 243. So actually the fifth root of 243 then would be 3. So my answer for this problem would be 3. But again, I would do this, let's say this number was like 425. Then I would divide by that 243 and see if I can find factors. 425 is a bad answer, a bad number to use. Maybe like 600 and something, where I could divide by 243 or divide by 32 and start to evaluate the fifth root and simplify it. But this one just works out perfect.